Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update on Verasity and the VRA token. After we just had a major bullish breakout, so we'll talk about that, we'll talk about the technicals, we'll also talk briefly about the fundamentals. Not too much though, don't worry, but there's some things you need to know about the way that Verasity has been behaving. And has been moving because we have been very, very bullish since the beginning of the year. As most of you know, we at the very top, we were up 450%, which is great. That made me recover some of my losses on Verasity, which I think most of you also have. But all right, that's just crypto. So the thing is that around the 8th of February, we were very bullish because of a buyback and burn program. I think it was buyback and burn from Verasity. Yeah, buyback and burn. These are really the best events that can happen for a crypto, because that means they really it brings more buy orders to the markets, and it also reduces or it increases the scarcity. It reduces the supply. So that was great. But that was the 8th of February. After that, we dropped down. There was quite a lot of bearish momentum in the markets, and right now, what you can see is that we dropped down to around 0.85 cents, which was our previous support level, and we actually reacted very, very well to that, and also to that 50 EMA, that red line. So we managed to get all the way up to 0.95 cents. And what we just did this morning, at least for me, is we broke above 1 cent, which is a strong psychological level. It's technically not the level you'd expect it to be. It's really not that respected, at least not currently. But still, it's a great sign, right? And it's also, I think last time around I expected us to consolidate for a little bit longer between 0.85 and 0.95 cents. But eventually I did, this is still for my last analysis, I did expect that at some point from this level we would be able to gather enough bullish momentum to actually break above that 1 cent level again. And then my price target, which is still my price target, is this level around 1.1 and 1.15 cents again. Now, why is that my price target, and why do I not think we can get all the way up to 1.3? That has largely to do with the market. It's not the technicals. I mean, technicals for Verasity are great. Right now we're at a minor resistance level around 1.05 cents, which we might find some resistance, but then we have this entire level between 1 cent and 0.95 as a support. And I do think we'll be able to hold that, and from there get up to that price target around 1.1 and 1.15. The thing though is that I think the market around Verasity right now does not allow us too much bullish momentum. I could definitely see us get up to that level at 1.3 in the next week. But I think the beginning of next week for the entire crypto market, which Verasity does rely on, even though it does not always correlate to it, it does rely on that. And I expect quite a lot of movement and volatility, excuse me, it was maybe a little bit loud. Volatility from the markets, and that's why this is my price target at 1.1, 1.15. I think we can reach that in the upcoming days, but whether we can break that, for example, depends on the inflation rate and the outcome of that on Tuesday, and that's going to make the market move. And depending on those market movements, Verasity could either still very well do this, or we could start a drop. All right, so it depends on that. I'll be back with updates, of course. For now, I mean, we just had a massive bullish confirmation, and we just had a nice bullish breakout as well. So I'm fairly bearish on Verasity, but we have to stay realistic as well. I'll be back with another update soon. Let me know if you're interested in that. But for now, take care and bye.